If you are concerned about those 11 lines, they are called the glabellar lines, and it's due to the glabellar muscles. So if we look really quickly at those glabellar muscles in this area, when you have a concerned face and you're kind of going like this, you are squeezing those muscles, and that can accentuate those number 11 lines. Now, some people will have just one of those lines there, so either a number 1 or number 11. It doesn't matter, and it doesn't matter if you've got lines on your face, but if you're at all interested in helping to smooth the appearance of those fine lines and wrinkles, this face taping technique is amazing for doing just that without, of course, using any chemicals or injections or anything. So all you're going to do, I'm going to do 2 techniques for you for those number 11s. The first one is super simple. You're just going to get a larger piece of K-tape, so that kinesiology tape. You're going to peel off the back, and of course you always do a patch test the day before for your K-tape to make sure that you're not reacting to the adhesive, but I have super sensitive skin for myself personally. I've never had a problem. And then all you're going to do is smooth out those 11, so you can either do it as such or you can just hold it like this, but I prefer to sort of do a V with my fingers like this, smooth out those number 11s and apply the tape as such. And then I like to do this at bedtime. You go to sleep, and that will help to smooth out those lines. What the K-tape does is it sends a signal to those underlying muscles to relax, and it is amazing without the need, again, for any of those injections or anything like that. Okay, so that is technique number 1. Technique number 2 for the number 11s is to use 2 pieces of tape. So again, you're gonna just cut out 2 smaller strips in this case, and now what you're doing is you are going to isolate each side. So I like to anchor the K-tape and make sure that you cut it on the way that you actually have some of that stretch. So when you're cutting it, it has to be in the right direction. You're going to anchor the top part of that tape towards your hairline, and then you are pulling that skin so that you're actually smoothing out that line, and then you're going to pull towards the line, apply, and now you have a lifting effect on that number 11 line. So you're not actually applying it on the number 11, you're pulling to the side of it. And for the second piece, again, you're going to peel off that back, you're going to apply that anchor close to the hairline, put a little bit of tension on that tape, and then pull towards, and that will help to pull apart and smooth out those number 11 lines. Then go to bed, gently peel this off in the morning, and you will be amazed. The longer that you do this over time, you will see a softening of those fine lines and wrinkles and those number 11 lines. Now for great face yoga exercises for double chins, please check out my video, Face Yoga Exercises Double Chin. I'll see you there.